Asparagus, it's great, I love it. But adding a creamy cheese sauce to go along with it, well, now we've got something. And you know, I would drape myself in cheese sauce if it were socially acceptable. Hey everyone, Mark here and welcome to my kitchen. You know, I'm just cooking up some recipes for you, so if you like what you see, please like and that's the oven. And hit that subscribe button. Today I'm gonna roast asparagus, which are great on their own, but I'm gonna be adding a nice creamy cheese sauce because, well, it's what I do. So let's go. Grab one bunch of asparagus, and remember, when picking asparagus, you wanna make sure that the head of the asparagus, the bulbs, are nice and tight. If they're starting to be all loose and frayed, pick another bunch. And then snap, peel, or cut the asparagus ends off. But remember, save those ends for soups or stocks. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil all over the asparagus. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper and chili flakes, which is optional. And then just give those spears a toss to coat everything up. I'm serving my asparagus in the same dish that I'm roasting them in. So I'm just gonna arrange the spears all out evenly so that they roast evenly. And then I'm gonna place in the oven at 425 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's finely chop 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and I mean finely chop. And then grate a ton of Reggie. Let's start with about 1.5 cups. And then we'll go from there. In a dry pan on low to medium heat, we're gonna toast up 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Once toasted, remove to a bowl and set aside. Now for our glorious cheese sauce. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add the garlic, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Once the garlic is tender, add 1/3 a cup of mascarpone cheese and 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Now grab a whisk and go at it because we want to emulsify that sauce so that nothing separates. Now let's add 1 cup of the Reggie and mix that in and continue to reduce. You can add the rest of the Reggie and mix that in as well. And here's a tip. Adding more cheese is just gonna help thicken up that sauce. Just saying, add more cheese. Once our asparagus is done roasting, take it out of the oven. We're gonna pour our cheese sauce all over it, but just leave the tips of the asparagus showing. And then grate some Reggie on top. I'm not gonna tell you how much, but just go for it. And then place under the broiler for 3 to 5 minutes or until nice and bubbly and golden brown. And then just finish with the pine nuts. You can keep them whole, you can crush them, or you can even crush them into a powder. And that's it. Let's eat. All right, there we have it. Roasted asparagus with a creamy cheese sauce and toasted pine nuts. Come on. This is good. It's so cheesy and it just makes me happy. So I hope you give this a go, and as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao. Ooh!